This video is going to be super useful for those that want a shortcut on how to make money online. If that's what you're looking for, then this video is for you, because in this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $30 every 30 minutes. That's $1 every minute. Now, I found this amazing system that will actually pay you per click. It's a website like none other that you haven't seen before, that is really new, that I recently came across, and I tried it out and I made about $3 every 500 to 1,000 clicks. And I'm going to show you how to automate these clicks and get tons of clicks on whatever link you have, and you can actually get paid per click. And I've built an amazing autopilot complete system for you in this video. All you need to do is watch this until the end so that you can learn how to put this together and make money with yourself. In order to get started, I would really appreciate it if you could leave a like on this video. I love seeing positivity and positive likes and comments on my channel. Also, comment down below something positive, or if you have any questions, I heart and reply to every comment. And don't forget to subscribe to the Millionaire Mindset Plus YouTube channel, as I'm doing giveaways and money giveaways every single video. At the end of this video, I'm going to be announcing the $20 giveaway winner, so make sure to watch this until the end. I'm also going to announce tomorrow's giveaway and how you can win $20 again. And just as a thank you for all you guys' support on this channel, I'm going to have a 95% off coupon on my one-on-one mentoring program that you can get lifetime access to regarding e-commerce and drop servicing. So you can go over to the first link in the description and enter this coupon on the screen above, and you will get 95% off. Okay, so today's strategy, guys, involves this website over here. Make sure to keep watching, because I'm going to reveal this in a bit. But as it states, you can turn your time into money. But I'm also going to show you how you can use this little trick that I'm going to show you to make money on this website without wasting or using any of your own active time at all. Working online has become easy without any previous experience, using all-in-one solution provided by this website to get paid doing multiple tasks without leaving your home. No country redirection, instant payment requests, both mobile and desktop users are accepted, so you can download the app, use this app, and run this business anywhere in the world from just your pocket. But now, I'm going to show you how you can actually use this website without doing any of these tasks, without actually doing any active work, and putting this on complete autopilot. There are unlimited tasks to complete every day, which makes no limit to what you can earn per day. You can also get paid to invite friends to this website and make money from your social media circle. This website pays out instantly, and your instant payment requests are processed immediately 24/7. What they offer: you can get paid for sign-up tasks, you can get paid to complete surveys, upload videos, write about us, invite friends, all in one. We are not going to do sign-up tasks. We're not going to do completing surveys. We're not going to waste our time uploading videos. We're not going to waste our time writing any articles, and you're not going to waste your time doing anything else. There's something really unique that we're going to use this to make money with. This website has accumulated over 930,000 members off this website. That's 930,000 people globally that have found this website and that is now earning on this. Over $1.5 million have been paid out so far, which is a lot of money. That's an average of $20 to $30 per person. Scroll to the bottom of this website called paiderror.com. That's paiderror.com. Click on check proof and reviews, and over here you can view payment proofs and people earning all over the world. Coca from Egypt made over $30 with this. Priyanka from India made over $30 from this. Amjad from Morocco, over $30. Syed from Egypt also got paid $32. AJ from India got sent over $30. Jatinder from India got paid $30. And Johnny from Peru got paid $30. So as you can see, this website is paying $30 as an average payout. All you need to do is click on create an account on the top right over here. Enter your first name, your last name, your username, your email address, and your password, and sign up and create your account. Over here, I've just signed in with my brand new account, and by signing up already, you earn 50 US cents by default. So I encourage all of you to go and sign up through this website, and you will earn 50 cents by default. And this is what it will look like for you as well. And on the left over here, you can see all the different actions that you will get paid for. From surveys to quizzes to watching ads to completing tasks and doing rewards and micro tasks and submitting videos as well. But that won't be our main source of income here at all. But what will be our main source of income will be Paiderror's referral system over here. And as you can see, you can get paid up to $3 per 1,000 clicks. So that means every time 1,000 people click, that's just click on this link, you're going to earn $3. Note, it says clicks, not signups, not referrals, not email signups, it's just clicks, making the fact that it is so much easier and faster to earn with this, so I can literally go and click on this and make money off my own link. On other websites, the usual way to make money is usually by signing someone up or selling an affiliate product or doing something like that. And this is the case. In this case, not at all. You just have to get clicks and you'll get money per click. So there's no extra effort needed to convince someone to sign up or to buy my product like some flashy salesman. That is not what you have to do here. You just have to get people to click on your link. And right now, I'm going to show you two main websites that will not just get you 100 clicks, but thousands at least clicks every single day to build up to $30 every 30 minutes and even every day, over and over again on autopilot. And the traffic source that we're going to use, guys, is blog.feedspot.com/money making forums. Over here, I found the top 10 money making forums, discussions, and message boards you must follow in 2021. Firstly, you've got the Tendry Make Money forum, which gets over 30 posts a day. You've got the Beer Money forum, which gets over 30 posts a day. The Money Send and Money Maker discussion. All you want to do is open each of these in a new tab. Just go right click, open a new tab, and over here you will see Make Money, affiliate programs, surveys, forex review, buy, sell, and trade. Currently, this earn money topic that was posted just 2 minutes ago has already gotten 1.2 million views, over 24,000 messages, and over 7.k threads, which is like sub replies to this topic. Over here you can come over to Beer Money forum. You can choose any one of these, but let's stick to trendy.com. You're just going to click on the Make Money topic over here, and over here you can see hundreds to thousands of people asking how to make money fast. Good way to make money website. Make money simply, make money online instantly, make money by watching YouTube videos, super offers, super earnings, how to make money online with no investment. There are people all over this website. I can go all the way up to page 372 with over 20 people per page asking ways to make money online. And as you already know, we are promoting PaidError.com, which is a make money online website. And we are on a make money online forum. Matchy, you get it? All the people on this website will be interested in what you have to offer them and tell them about this new website that you found to make money with, because that's what they're here for and that's what you're here for. So all you're going to do is you can come over to all the unsolved questions over here and reply to each and every one of these. And remember, hundreds of people can see your reply. Just because you're replying to one person doesn't mean you'll get one click. You can see some of these get over 5k views, 3k views. I mean, 5k views is automatically 3 times 5, which is $15 in your pocket that was posted 3 hours ago. It's now 11 in the morning by me. This was at 7 o'clock this morning. So just 3 hours, these people could have made $15. Never mind what you can make in a full day. If you post on multiple ones of these every single day, you can get a lot of clicks. And remember, you're getting paid per click. You don't have to sign up for anything. And then in order to scale, you're going to come over to adclax.com and you're going to use the first $10 to $15 that you've made to spend it on impressions. So this website over here is a website that gets 1.5 million views every month. You can pay them $15 to get your website or offer listed on their website to get all of these views. So you can put a little post promoting Paid Error connected to your affiliate link. You pay them $15 and you can get 1.5 million views. Let's say only 100,000 people out of these 1.5 million views click on your link. So let's go 100,000 divided by 1,000 multiplied by 3. You can make $300 on just one shout out. Minus, let's go 15. That is $285 profit. This website over here that gets 4.4 million views every single month, you pay them 0.08 cents per 1,000 impressions. So now this website on Paid Error is paying $3 per 1,000 clicks, right? So if you're paying this website 8 cents per 1,000 impressions, you're gonna get $3 minus 0.008. That is $2.92 profit that you can make on just an 8-cent investment. And then finally guys, if you want to see how some of my viewers and students make over $15,000 watching my videos, this person made over 15k with my Instagram strategy. This person made over 15k in a month as well, doing high ticket sales on Instagram. This person made over $1,300 with Google Ads and drop servicing. This person I met made $397 on his first day after taking my drop servicing program, and tons of people getting results over here. If you want to replicate results like this and take a look at what exactly is in this program, you can come over to the first link in the description, enter this code on the screen over here to get over 80% off. All you do is just scroll down to the bottom and you can view each and every module that's in this program, and you can see all the bonuses included in this program. That is the first link in the description, and you can also get a 7-minute free training over here. That's going to be it for today's video guys. Just quickly, I want to announce the $20 giveaway. Well done to this person over here. You won the $20 giveaway from yesterday's video. Congrats to you. In tomorrow's video, I'm going to be doing another giveaway. All you need to do is leave a like on this video. I would really appreciate that. Make sure you subscribe down below with the bell on so that I can send you a message every time I upload a value packed video just like this one. Comment down below that you're ready. In tomorrow's video, I will choose a random person from the comments and announce them as the winner, and in tomorrow's video I'm going to do another giveaway, so make sure to have that bell on so that you can be up to date with tomorrow's video. See you tomorrow.